There's only so much that a human mind can remember. You see, we tend to forget a lot of things, and one of those things is a Wi-Fi passwords. And then you hear a knock on the door. Oi, what's the Wi-Fi password? Well, I don't remember. Then what should I do now? Actually, I'm making a video on that right now. So I suggest you subscribe to Gadgets 360 on YouTube, and yeah, do hit that bell icon ASAP so that you can watch this video and all the other latest videos that drop on the channel. Fine, now let me concentrate. Hello everyone, I'm Aman Rashid, you're watching Gadgets 360, and every Tuesday I bring you Office Space, our series dedicated to making your life with Office apps much easier. In this video, I'm going to show you how to know your Wi-Fi password on your phone or computer. Let's get started. Go to the control panel and under Network and Internet, click View Network Status and Tasks. Click on your Wi-Fi network, click Wireless Properties, click Security, and finally tick the box where it says Show Characters to reveal your current password. Press Command plus Space to open Spotlight and type Keychain Access. Open it. Look for your Wi-Fi network and double-click to open it. Tick Show Password. Enter your computer username and password and hit Allow to reveal your Wi-Fi password. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings and select Wi-Fi. Tap the I button right next to your connected Wi-Fi network. On the next screen, under IPv4 address, you will find your router's IP address. Hold and press on it to copy. Now paste your router's IP address in any browser of your choice. Hit enter to see a login page. Now enter your router's login details. In most cases, your router's user ID and password will be set to admin, so you can try that and see if it works. Just in case if it doesn't, then you can always visit the company's website to find out the different user ID and password combinations. Besides, most of the routers have their login details listed at the back, so you can check there as well. Moving on, once you have logged in, you just have to locate the wireless security settings for your router. Once you see that, you will be able to view your Wi-Fi password. There is one more method that lets you know your Wi-Fi password on your iPhone or iPad, and for that you'll need a Mac. So if you have synced your passwords with iCloud Keychain, then you can know your Wi-Fi password by following the Mac instructions that I showed earlier in the video. Now to make sure that your passwords are synced on iCloud, follow these steps. On your iPhone or iPad, pull down the search bar and type Keychain. Tap Keychain and you will be redirected to the iCloud menu. Tap Keychain once again and make sure it is enabled. This will make sure that all the passwords that you use on your iOS device are synced across all your Apple devices. Now you can simply open your Mac, look for a Wi-Fi network and know its Wi-Fi password. On your smartphone running Android 10 and above, go to Settings, then go to Wi-Fi and open the network details of your connected Wi-Fi network. Tap Share and then verify your identity via biometric authentication or by entering your password. There you have it. Your Wi-Fi password would appear right below the QR code. Sadly, if you have a phone with Android 9 and below, in that case, you'll either need to root your device and install a third-party app to find your forgotten Wi-Fi password, or you can also follow the first method that I showed on the iPhone to know your Wi-Fi password. That's about it for this video. By following these simple steps, you can know your forgotten Wi-Fi password. Hit the like button if you learned something new and do share this video with others. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com. See you next Tuesday.